Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is November 19th when I'm recording this. I hope you guys are having a good start to your week. One of the things that I thought, just quick, simple video today that I wanted to show you, kind of showing the bigger picture of what I think we need to be aware of, is lining up the SPY daily with the VIX daily. I think we're seeing some things lining up here. As you can see, there has been this trend line that for the most part has worked pretty well. Obviously you can see sometimes the dip below it, but that trend line working pretty well. Heck, even the upper trend line has worked pretty well. We'll just have to see if the next one actually just goes to the trend line or actually goes even bigger. So don't know that far out. But the other thing to do is just start looking at this. If I line up my cursors, you want to see where tops are? Here's a top, there's the low in the VIX. Okay, what if I move over here? And kind of like right there. You can see here was a low, here was a top. Pull back to that thing. Go a little bit further. How about right here? Another low in the VIX, high in the market. Move a little bit further. There's the low in the VIX, another high in the market. Do one more. There's the low in the VIX, high in the market. And that brings us to today. Where are we? So, as I was kind of phrasing it in one of my other videos, I think we are basically, if you're on the long side, I think we're looking at picking up pennies in the final inning. It just seems as though we're kind of running out of room on the long side. And you can see I kind of have two trend lines here. One's kind of where we are, but that kind of misses the top a little bit on some of these other. The other is the exact top of these, and so it shows a little bit more upside. Yeah, there could be a little bit more upside. But basically everything I'm seeing with this VIX combination and where the market is, I think it's just kind of a matter of time until we actually see an inflection point. And I think we're in the process of basically seeing the top of the market in through here. So do be careful, tread lightly if you're going to be on the upside. And yeah, we'll have to go from there. I think we're going to be seeing a pullback. And the question is the pullback into support? Or is this a top and we actually start going down in a more meaningful way? All right, that's what I got for you. We'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.